everybody able to see? Naomi, are you able to see?
No, ma'am.
No. Damn, what's happening? Let's see. Gosh, let me try to gosh,
We can see
I don't know
now.
what's happening. Are you guys still not able to see?
Ma'am,
Oh, perfect. Everybody. Mm-hmm.
we can see.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you, Ole. So what I want us to do for today is just to look at this exercise slash revision questions over here. Okay. And the first one here says, what is the solution for the equations shown below? So basically, it's more like you're solving for the unknown, right? So what you're going to do for the first one, they say x minus 3 is equal to 4. So what you're going to do is ask yourself, before you can attempt the question, ask yourself, what is it that I can minus 3 from, right? And get a positive 4. So basically that thing has to be added with what? With 3, because the 3 you're gonna be adding, the 3 you're gonna be subtracting it from it for you to get the value of x. In this case, it's going to be more like you are adding the final answer, which is 4, with the 3. But the 3 has to be positive because you are adding it back so you can get the value of x. So that's how you actually going to do it. Uh, let me see. So it's x minus 3 is equal to 4. So that means we have what? We're going to have x is equal to 4 plus 3. Oh, sorry, plus 3. Now, which is the same as you taking the 3 to the other side of the equal sign. And I've always told you guys that when you are taking a number to the other side of the equal sign, you're going to do what? You're going to get um, a different sign that it initially had. So when you are taking a number or anything from the other side of equal sign and you are crossing it to the other side of the equal sign, that means the initial sign of it when it was before it crossed to the other side is going to be the opposite. Meaning that if it's positive, that means it's going to be a negative. If it's a negative, then it's going to be positive. Are we together? Did everybody know this? Did you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So that's why we also having the 4 plus 3. So you see there's many definitions or many reasons behind each and every mathematical decision that we take. So that simply show you that there's many ways to do things. Like you can do it this way, you can also do it another way. For as long as we're gonna be getting the same outcomes, which is the important part, right? So x is equal to 4 plus 3. That means our x is going to be equal to 7 because we know that 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, right? So if you take your calculator and maybe let's say, for example, you don't believe me that x is equal to 7, you can say 7 minus 3 because remember, we're going to replace the x with what? The x with the value that we got for the x value. So it's going to be 7 minus 3. So in place of x, we're going to put 7. So you're going to say 7 minus 3. If it doesn't give you 4 on your calculator, then you have to throw your calculator away because that won't be true. Okay? Are we happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. That's great. I just want to enlarge this. I feel like it's not big enough, right? Okay, cool. So that means my x So our x is going to be equal to 7. X is equal to 7, right? And Manahil, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. And we have x minus 2, sorry, x plus 2 is equal to 9. Manahil, would you please take us through that? How would you go about finding the value of x?
Ma'am, we say we do the inverse operation. We say nine
Mhm.
9 minus 2 equals 7. So x equals 7.
Perfect. X is equal to 7. So basically what she did was to take what? Was to take the 2 to the other side like we did. And then because we are reversing it, so that's why she ended up having the -2. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So the value of the value of x in this case is going to be 7. And you can also put on your calculator uh, Naomi, say 7 plus 2. And if you don't get 9, then I need to get you another calculator that's going to get you a 9, right? Um, okay, let's go to 3x is equal to 21. Let's give this one to Ole. Ole, sorry. Ole,
Ma'am,
uh-huh. Uh, how are you
you're
going to
going to,
go up?
you're going to say positive. I mean, you're going to use the inverse operation. So can I calculate it like 2 minutes?
Okay, no problem. Let's give this one 3x plus 1 is equal to 22 to Naomi. Naomi? Naomi? Damn, my phone. Sorry, guys. Naomi? What? No, Naomi? I'm not sure what's happening. Oh, she has problems. Um, Ole, your 2 minutes is up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's down. 3x is equal to 21.
Okay, ma'am. You're going to say 3x equals to 21, right? Then you're
Mhm.
going to say 3x divided by 3, 21 divided by 3. Therefore, x equals to 7.
X is equal to 7. Um, Perfect. So you're going to divide. So remember the main aim in this one, you're trying to get the value of x, right? You want to end up having x is equal to whatever, x is equal to whatever. So in this case, we need to get rid of 3. The only way that we can get rid of 3 that is close to the x, that is exactly next to the x without a sign in between, just a multiplication, right? You're going to divide it with the number that's close to the x. If you want to end up having the x, right? And in this case, she divided by 3, which is good. And then what you do on the left, you have to do on the right. What you do on the left, you have to do on the right. So basically what you do for each and every term, for one term, you have to do for each and every term, right? And then we have 21 divided by 3 being equal to 7. Why do I have a feeling that the D is also gonna be 7? Ule, do you think it's gonna be 7 as well? Why do I have a feeling? By just looking at it, do you think it's gonna be 21? I mean 7?
Yes, 21.
Do you think it's gonna be 7? The final answer. Because everything has been 7. Do you think it also gonna be 7? It is also gonna be 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think so?
Ma'am, I don't think so. I'm doubting. I'm
Okay,
guessing.
let me do it with you now. 3x is equal to 22 minus 1, which is going to be 21 now. So 3x is equal to 21. Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, it's the same as C.
It's the same as C. Yeah, that's correct. So that means that it's also gonna be 7 because we're gonna do the same steps that we did in C, which would mean that we'll get the value of 7 if 7 is correct in this case, right? Okay, happy, happy, happy. Let's try to have a screenshot, guys. Will you please screenshot this and then do the same, yeah? Do the same, do the same, do the same, do the same, right? You do the same for that, yeah? And then you're gonna select which one is correct here. Remember, we got 7. So if we had these values, we were just going to select 7. So I want you guys to select to actually solve for the unknown in this case. And then when you are done, you're gonna select its value on the side. I want to check your level of speed on after how many minutes can you finish A to E, ma'am? We're gonna do A to E, and then I'm just gonna give you 10 minutes. What time is it now? The time is 37, 18:37. So by 18:47, you should be done. If you're not done, then we're gonna have to um you're gonna have to do more of this for you to get used to them, right? Did you guys take screenshots? Because I'm gonna switch off my thing in my camera. Sorry, my sharing. I'm gonna stop sharing for a moment. Did you guys take screenshot? Naomi, did you take? Naomi, Naomi, Ule and Manahil, did you guys take?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So I'm giving you up until 18:47. If you're not done by 18:47, I should see what is it that you have completed by that far, right? Are we happy? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, let's see Naomi. What does Naomi say? We can see. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna mute my mic. Guys, are you Ole,
Ma'am?
are you almost done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. What number are you?
Ma'am, I'm on C.
Guys, are you almost done? Manahil, how far are you? Manahil,
Almost done, ma'am.
almost done. Which number are you on now?
D.
D, letter D, sorry. Okay, that's great. Naomi left. Okay. You have 2 more minutes. I'm not sure if I want you guys want me to give you um 2 more minutes to finish off or what? Do you guys need 2 more minutes to finish as agreed?
Yes.
Okay. Done. Guys, the time is up. Now it's 48, so that means you got extra 1 minute. All right. Are you done now? How far are you if you're not done?
Done.
Done. Perfect. Ole, how about you and Naomi?
Yeah, I'm done.
You're done. That's great. Remember, if we are having an activity like this and you finish before time, you should try to indicate to me by the time you're exactly done, so I can yeah, that information is important to me, right? Um, Guys, I am sorry about that. My phone went off. I wasn't aware that it was on 1%. Um, are you guys able to hear me? Let me just quickly share the screen. And, are you guys able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Ole. Um, let's see. Are you guys able to see? Yes. Are you guys
Yes.
able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, cool. Let's start with the first one. I'm not gonna be doing this for you, or with you. Rather, I'll be just um hearing what is it that you did on your side. Let's start with the first one. Let's give it to, not sure if Naomi is able to unmute her mic, but in case she's not, of which I believe she's not, um let's give it to our lovely friend Ole. Let's give it to Ole. 12x is equal to 84. What did you do?
Ma'am, I said 12x divided by 12x, then 12x divided by 12. Then I said 84 divided by 12. My answer is x equals to 7.
X is equal to 7. What's happening with 7 is today the 7th of June. Is equal to 7. Okay, what's happening on the 7th? Okay. Um Let's give this one B to Manahil. Manahil, 84 divided by X is equal to 12.
Ma'am, I got x equals to 7.
Why is everybody getting 7? What did you do to get a 7?
Ma'am, so 12 times 7 equals 84.
Why are we multiplying 12?
Oh, ma'am, are you at A?
Mm-hmm.
I
Do you
said
know,
B. Why B?
sorry,
I said
guys?
x equals 7 because um so 12x also means 12 times x. So I said 12 times 7 equals 84.
Wait, Manahil, we are on B, ne? You're doing B. So I'm not sure how you got to 12 multiplied by X. Can you take me through that step? How did you get there? Where you ended up multiplying the 12 with X, which in this case is
No,
7.
no, ma'am. I for B I divided 84 by 7.
84 by 7. And how did you, like, how did you come to a conclusion that you're going to be dividing 84 with 7? What I want you to tell me the steps that you've taken for you to get to a final state where you said, I'm going to divide 84 with 7.
Ma'am, so I know that 12 times 7 equals 84, so I divided um 84 divided by 7.
84
'Cause I
divided.
didn't-
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Manahil. Let's hear Ule out. I think I heard Ule's voice. Ule, how did you do this one?
Ma'am, I said, like, ma'am, I did it almost like A.
Tell us, how is it almost like A? What did you do?
Ma'am, I said 84 divided by X equals to 12. Then I said 84. Then I said 84 divided by X equals to. No, wait.
Do you guys remember when I said, I think this one is going to be easier for you guys. Remember when I said what you do on the left, you're going to do on the right? You guys remember that? Guys, quickly confirm if you remember. We have like less than 3 minutes. Do you guys remember when I said what you do on the left, you're gonna do on the right? So let's do this. 84 divided by X. I'm working on assumption that you guys understand or remember. And I'm gonna multiply this with the denominator because I am trying to get rid of the denominator, right? Not now. Nah. I'm trying to get rid of the denominator. At the same time, remember you cannot um have 1 over x is equal to whatever as your final answer because we want to get the value of x, not 1 over x or whatever divided by x, right? Main aim or main goal is to get x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, x is equal to Ule, x is equal to Manahil, x is equal to Naomi. So we want to get rid of the denominator being unknown or being a variable. So we're going to say x multiplied by x. And then I said to you guys just now, what you do on the left, you have to do on the right. So we have this, we have that, and then because we are running out of time. And then you see, this one is going to cancel this one, ne? Because they are alike. They are the same, right? So they're going to cancel out each other. So we have 84 equal to 12 multiplied by x. We know that 12 multiplied by x is equal to 12x. And then it's almost the same. Now it's not almost, but it's exactly the same as 8. Now you're going to take the same steps that you took for A. Remember, you cannot. Okay. Just quickly tell me, guys. What did you get for C, D, and E? Just the final answer. No need to calculate. Ule, what did you get for C, Manahil? What did you get for E? Uh, and also, what did you guys get for D? C, Manahil, what did you get?
5.
You got
Ma'am,
5.
I got 5.
Perfect. D, how much did you guys get? Quickly, guys, we have 2 seconds left now. 5. D.
I got
Okay, cool. That's we're gonna have to end the lesson here. Um, I hope that everybody understood what we did today. But in case you have like a question, oh, it seems like there's nobody in here, so let's just kind of careful. So if you guys have any question, did you struggle with anything while completing this activity, or are you all good? Perfect.
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am.
Okay, cool, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Grace, I'm gonna have to end the lesson, and then you're gonna have to rejoin and like a little because this was still great. Eh? Bye, guys. Enjoy the rest of your evening and your long weekend. And you guys are saying you're gonna write on Tuesday, and I think we're not gonna have a lesson before you write because Monday's a holiday. Um, yeah, in case you write, I know Manahid is gonna be writing. Um, gosh, they are gone.